Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to plug you guys to a complete brightening face care combo that is going to change your skin from looking dull to looking radiant, glowing and healthy. If this sounds like your vibe, then you want to continue watching. In case you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Adetutu. In this channel, I talk about skincare, hair care, self-care rituals that truly works, and a sprinkle of lifestyle. Girl, I want you to hit that subscribe button because you're going to love it here on this channel. So hit the subscribe button to join the Glow Tribe community, all right? So without further explaining, let's jump right into the video. So now this face care routine combo I'm about to plug you guys to is 5 steps, and number 1 step is your cleanser, like your face wash. All right, and this face wash is categorized into 2 types. We have the bar soap, using of the bar soap, and the face cleanser. All right, so this bar soap, you can get any of the one I'm putting on the screen. You guys can get any of them. We have the Kojisan, we have the drip, we have turmeric with honey, we have extra whitening herbal soap, we have the nano white. You can get any of this. These are very good bar soap that you can use on your face and on your body. These are going to brighten up your skin. They are going to clear your hyperpigmentation. They're going to give you that radiance and a healthy skin. All right, and now you know this soap that I just mentioned to you guys they are going to dry out the skin a little bit. So once you are done cleansing your skin with this bar soap, then you can now go in with your cleanser. We have cleanser, we have hydrating cleanser, we have the one from Face Fact, this hydrating gentle cleanser, the one that contains ceramide in it. You can use this one. It is going to hydrate your skin without stripping your skin of its natural oil. So after you have done washing your skin with a bar soap, you can use any of this face cleanser that is on the screen. They are definitely going to hydrate your skin. They are going to repair your skin barrier as well. So you know you have already used bar soap that has already dried out your skin. So you want something that is going to repair it, that contains ceramide or hyaluronic acid, something that is going to balance your skin for you. So that is why I said this is of 2 types. So after using that, then you go in with your face cleanser that is not going to strip your skin of its natural oil. So now I want you guys to note this, that for the bar soap, you need to use them 2 to 3 times in a week. All right, because most of them contains active ingredients and you don't want to be using them every day. So you can use your cleanser every day, but your bar soap, make sure you are using them 2 to 3 times in a week. All right, I hope you guys understand that. So the next step, which is the number 2, the second step you need to take in this routine, is your toners. So this toners is categorized into 2 types. We have the exfoliating toners, and we also have the hydrating toners. The exfoliating toners, we have different types of exfoliating toners. We have the one that contains AHAs inside, like mandelic acid, glycolic acid, lactic acid, and we also have BHAs, which is the salicylic acid. And if you have oily skin, you know that it is salicylic acid toner that you need to go for. If you have oily skin, you have combination skin, you have acne prone skin, salicylic acid, which is the BHAs toner, is the one that is very good for you. If you have a dry skin, please use mandelic or lactic acid. And if you have a normal skin, you have oily skin, you can as well use this glycolic acid. All right, like if you want to change your skincare game, like you want to have that brighter, that radiant skin, your skin should be sparkling, then you need to keep exfoliating your skin. Maybe the reason why you're having a dull skin, like uneven skin tone, discolored skin, is because you're not exfoliating your skin. So you need to add exfoliating toners into your skincare routine to elevate that look, to make you have that brighter skin. All right, so exfoliating your skin is going to remove dead skin cell. It's going to make your other skincare products work perfectly well for you, and it's going to make you have that radiant and a glowing skin. And another thing I want you to note is that if you are using your exfoliating toner, make sure you are exfoliating your skin 1 to 2 times in a week. I exfoliate my skin 2 times in a week, so maximum times you can go is 2 times in a week. So please don't go overboard. Don't over exfoliate your skin, because over exfoliating your skin can lead to a damaged skin barrier. So you don't want that on your skin. So now that I've talked about the exfoliating toner, now let's talk about the hydrating toner. If you want to get hydrating toner, it needs to have this ingredient inside: ceramide, hyaluronic acid, snail. So we have different types of toners that are hydrating and they are soothing. We have the Eccentric hyaluronic acid, we have the Cosrx, snail mucin. You know, we have different types of them. I'm going to put them on the screen for you guys to see. You can just choose this one. These ones are going to hydrate your skin, make your skin look plumpy, hydrated, and help you lock in moisture and also balance your skin for you. So that is why it is good to always use your hydrating and soothing toner. All right, so the next step now, which is the third step, is your serum, and this one is also important. If you want to use serum, we have different types of serum, and since your own goal is to brighten up your skin, to fade maybe your hyperpigmentation, your dull skin, your uneven skin tone, you are looking forward to brighten up your skin and have that radiant skin, then you want to try this serum that contains niacinamide, vitamin C, alpha arbutin, tranexamic acid. These are going to help your skin a lot. Like, they are going to brighten up your skin, they're going to fade in your hyperpigmentation, that your dull skin is going to bring it out alive for you. Your skin is going to be looking plumpy, looking radiant, looking, you know, glowing as well. So all those serums, we have different types of serum out there. We have advanced clinical vitamin C, we have balance active vitamin C, we have balance but I think it's balance active niacinamide. We have the one from Face Fact. We have different types of them. Just choose the one that fits on your budget, and there, girl, you are good to go. I'm going to put them on the screen, you guys will see them. All right, so now that you are aware of what the next step is, which is your serum, then let's move to the next step, which is very, very important, which is your moisturizer. Moisturizer is very important, even though you have oily skin. Girl, if you have oily skin, you need to moisturize your skin, because if you don't moisturize your skin is going to produce excess oils. Like, you're going to produce excess oil, so you need to moisturize your skin. And we have different types of moisturizer, because that skin needs to look plumpy. And I want you guys to know something, that if you want to get a moisturizer, make sure you are getting a moisturizer that contains ceramide inside, because ceramide is going to repair your skin barrier, it's going to make your skin look plumpy, it's going to make your skin look smoother. So get a moisturizer that contains ceramide in it, aloe vera that contains hyaluronic acid. You know, we have different types of them, vitamin E, you know, things like that. They are going to help your skin a lot and make your skin looks hydrated, lock in hydration, lock in moisture for you, draw in moisture to your skin, and they're not going to make your skin look scaly or dry. All right, and we have different types of them. We have from Face Fat, we have from Cosrx, we have different types of moisturizer. Just pick the one that fits in your skin types, that is good for your skin type. Do research, you know, and then, girl, you are good to go. So these are the steps. This is the next step in this face care routine. And if you want, and since we are talking about brightening the skin, you can get a moisturizer from Face Fact. This collagen snail whitening. We have the Garnier vitamin C day cream. We have what's it called, we have Face Fact Wonder Cream. These creams are going to brighten up your skin, they're going to elevate your look, they're going to elevate your skin for you. So you just check them on the screen and pick the one that actually fits on your skin. Do your research well on this moisturizer. I've talked a lot about them, so in case you want to see them, I'm going to link it down, so you guys check the description box for this brightening face cream that I've reviewed them, I've talked about them. You can just check them. All right, so the next step, which is the most important, like, without this one, you see, all the rest are just like, they're not going to work. It is not going to work at all. So this step is very, very important, which is your sunscreen. See, if you want to have that glowing, that radiant skin, like that dull skin that you've been having, that's uneven skin tone, discolored skin, if you want to elevate them, you want to have that glowing, that radiant skin, then, girl, you need to get a sunscreen, which is the last step, which is the fifth step. Sunscreen is very important, whether you are indoor, whether you are not, you are outdoor, whether it is sunny, whether it is cloudy, whether it is raining. Girl, put on your sunscreen, wear your sunscreen is going to help you a lot. It's going to prevent you from having melasma, from having hyperpigmentation, from having a dull skin. Like, it is going to prevent you from all those things, so using them is going to help you a lot. So make sure you are always using your what so make sure you're always using your sunscreen. It is so important. Sunscreen is very, very important. It's going to prevent you from skin cancer, it's going to prevent you from sunburn, it's going to prevent you from hyperpigmentation. A lot of things sunscreen does to the skin. So please make sure you're always wearing your sunscreen. And these are the five routine steps that can elevate your skin, that's going to change your skin from looking dull to looking radiant. All right, I hope this helped. I hope you found this helpful. If you do so, please do well to hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also share this to your family and your friends. And if girlies like you that is looking for something like this, please share it to them. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, remain blessed and stay safe. All right, bye.